Seated jacks are an effective cardiovascular exercise that engages multiple muscle groups, including the arms, legs, and core, while minimizing strain on the joints. Start by sitting upright on the front edge of a chair with your arms relaxed at your sides and feet flat on the floor, knees close together. Engage your core by pulling your belly button toward your spine, feeling a gentle tightening in the stomach. Swiftly raise your arms above your head while simultaneously extending your legs out to the sides. Touch the floor with your heels, keeping your feet flexed. From here, return to the starting position, bringing your knees together and arms back at your sides. Keep your back straight throughout the exercise. Repeat the movement 10 to 20 times to complete one set. Aim for 2 to 3 sets. Remember to consult your healthcare provider to make sure that this exercise is safe for you. Stop the exercise if you feel any discomfort.